Good morning, guys. So we are at part 2 of how to get engagement and how to post on your personal profile for your business opportunity or product or service. Okay, so we've kind of gone over the basics of actually setting up your profile properly, and that was in part 1. And this is part 2. So what are you going to post on Facebook? So I've made some slides up. I'm not going to actually, read this word for word. I'm going to attach the slides in the comment section, in the description of the video. And so we'll just go over a few things, because you want to be able to brand yourself. That's the most important thing that you're going to be doing when you're using your Facebook profile for a business, okay? So you never really want to share other people's stuff. That's something that needs to, kind of really sink in there a little bit. Now, if you like a post that somebody else has made, you can most definitely, if you're at your laptop, you can download it and then share it at a later time. And then also you can save it as a screenshot in your phone if that's what you want to do, and then make it your own. So we don't want anybody really using the share thing. And I've been a culprit of it. I'm part of a team, and actually I'm in Facebook jail right now because what I have done is I shared live videos to other places on Facebook, and Facebook did not like that too much. And you can only share very minimal amounts, especially when it is in a group, and I'll let you know that right now, or they will flag your account and they will temporarily put your account on hold, which I can still post on Facebook. For some reason, I can't like or comment on like anything. I'm temporarily blocked from that, and something else that's not really working right that I'm not able to do. So you don't want to get into that situation, because that's kind of constrict you of what you're capable of doing on Facebook if that's what you're using for your as your platform, as your strategy. Okay, so, and the other thing is, don't share something old. Okay, and we kind of like doing that. It's fun to see that memory. But, go ahead and download that and make it a new post. You don't have to share it as an old thing, You can always make it something brand new. So let's go to the next slide here. Whoops. So what you're going to do is, it's a formula. It's called results, value, and lifestyle. Now, I haven't gone over the lifestyle part of it today. I'm just going over results and value. So your results are going to be something that you post that either, results that you have gotten. Maybe you're getting leads, or maybe you have made a commission, or maybe somebody on your team has done that, and you're sharing that on your wall to kind of create curiosity at the same time. And some people may want some information from that on you, and it's not really a post that's going to get a lot of engagement, just so you are aware of that. But you want to kind of let people know what you're doing out there, right? You can't just keep your business silent, or how's anyone going to know about it? So basically, you're going to get your engagement with your motivational inspiration posts, okay? And you have to consistently do this every day. Value, results lifestyle or results value lifestyle, however you want to put it. And sometimes people just make the same kind of posts over and over again, and then they're unsure why they're not getting the engagement they thought they would. And you know, I did a previous video on how to get more engagement on your posts, because there is an algorithm that Facebook follows for this. So if you haven't watched that video, I will try and put that in the cards for this video so you can check it out. So one thing, so of course, getting your results. You can go to your team, you can go to somebody else on your team if they have actually had some results, made a commission, got a lot of leads, or anything else you want to, you know, kind of make your results post on. You can, you know, grab that information from the team or from that personal team member and then post it on your profile. And so the other thing is, you can, for these posts, it's come to my attention that going and doing a 2 or 3 sentence tops is so people do not have to click see more, because once they do that, and if you're writing a whole book on every post, they're not going to read it. People are on it, Facebook's, and especially if it's, you know, on your profile for business type stuff, they're not going to go into that. They're going to want to go ahead and, you know, engage on it, and this makes it a lot easier for people to engage on that type of post. Now, if you want to go ahead and take a picture of yourself and then put something on that picture, you can do that in Canva or PicMonkey, which are totally free to you. And you can use them on your mobile device or on your PC or laptop, okay? So this is one that I have done, and I just wanted to take a look at it. I got, well, let me see, 103 likes or engagements and some shares and comments. I mean, that's pretty cool. That, you know, that way I know people are engaging with me. I know they're seeing my posts. So it's something really simple, and you can find all types of quotes. You can search out quotes on your PC, laptop. There's apps that have them in there that you can use to share, okay? And then what we're going to do from here is, you know, I've also done a tutorial on Canva, how to use Canva for social media posting, and also how to create your thumbnail for YouTube. So if you want to check that one out, you can also. So I'm going to try and keep this as short as possible today, and I will, like I said, put all the link to these slides in the description. And you know, if you like the video, if you got some good value from it, you know, go ahead and give me a comment, give me a like on the video. You know, I would like to hear your feedback. You know, I'm not some guru, I'm not some professional video maker. You know, I do what I can with what I have, and that's what you should be doing. You don't have to have everything perfect to get going. Just do it, okay? All right, guys. Well, I will see you on the next video, and you have a great day. All right. Bye now.